in the attic. Well, actually the yard, but we will be in the attic. Anyway, this is a 3-ton ducted mini split. Looks like it's a Samsung. So we're gonna see what's going on with it. It has a nest connected to it, and apparently it was working fine, and then all of a sudden the nest went blank, and he's had a few other companies come out and couldn't figure it out. They think it might be a bad transformer, and I think they changed it, but it blew it out. So we're gonna check it out, see if we can figure out what's going on with it. But yeah, so here we go. Alrighty, so we're in the attic, or if you can call it an attic, but basically we're getting 240 volts coming into the system. System's working fine, but it's got this thermostat module here, and this is what allows you to hook up a standard thermostat. Basically it just you know, it's got communication wires which are right there, so the thermostat will work like normal, and then this will convert those inputs into a communication signal, which is connected to that wire, which runs to the F1, F2, which is the communication wires, and then that's the power. And then you need a transformer to power this up, and that's what these wires are here. So I've already turned it on, verified I'm getting voltage up here. I'm getting 230 something. So looks like somebody already tried to do a repair. I don't know if that transformer is any good, but basically gonna wire nut into here, see if it's converting 24, and then we'll put a popper on there just to make sure there's no. I'm suspecting that maybe this thing is what do you call it, shorted, and that's what caused the transformer to blow up. Because he said that the thermostat just went blank one day, so we shall see. So here we go. Okay, so I'm thinking this guy went bad, so I already checked. We got continuity set here. See? So if I go between TR and TC, which is transformer R and transformer C, I'm getting continuity, so I think there's a short in here. So if I go to any one of the other ones, I'm also getting continuity. Yeah, so I think that thing's shorted. So we're gonna hook up this transformer, see if we're getting 24. Then I'll hook it into that, but I'll go ahead and put a popper on there so we don't blow up the transformer. And then we'll go from there, but I'm thinking it's a bad interface thermostat adapter. That could be the cause of everything. So we're gonna hook up this transformer first, make sure it works, and then hook that thing up and see what happens. So here we go. Okay, so we got our transfer hooked up just to my meters. Right there. And we are getting 26 volts, so this transformer does work. So now we're gonna hook it up to that guy right there and see what's up. And we'll put a popper in there just to make sure. Okay, so we got everything hooked up to TR and TC. Then I have my little popper put in the circuit of the TR, and it's flat, so we're gonna power it up and see what happens and go from there. So here we go. Okay, so we powered it up. You can see the lights on, and you can see here my popper popped. Let's reset it and see what happens. Yeah, so I'm gonna make sure that there's no shorts in that module there, but it looks to me like it's the module itself. So what we'll do is we'll cut the power and pull all the wires off just to make sure that's not the case. But I already kind of checked continuity across all the wires and I got none, so I think the module is to blame, but we're going to double check just to be sure. Worst thing you can do is tell them you need a part and swap it out and it still doesn't work, so we're going to double check. Alright, so we're back here. We got our Samsung thermostat adapter, MIM-A60UN. So we're going to get this guy installed, replace that bad one over there. So we're going to get this opened up, and here we go. Okay, so we got her all hooked up. I did have to program this through these little switches here. It's hard to see. See if I can get some more. Yeah, well, anyway, those little switches there, the first one I had to move it up to give it thermostat priority. That way it runs off the thermostat and not other stuff. So We got it all hooked up. We got our fuse installed there, just in case. So we're gonna go ahead and power it up and see how it goes. So fingers crossed. All right, fingers crossed. Okay, the unit's doing its thing. So hopefully we didn't pop any fuses up there. So let's go back upstairs. Thermostat turned on, that's a good sign. Check out that view. I see lights. All right, cool. Let's turn it on, see if it works. Alrighty, it's working. So yeah, we're all set. So I did have to change a few things. It was originally connected to F1, F2, but according to the schematic in the instruction manual, we had to put on F2, or F3 and F4. So yeah, this guy was shorted on the inside. So we'll go ahead and clean it all up, put all the panels back together, and we'll be out of here. So thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, hit that bell notification, comment, tell me what a horrible technician I am, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Thanks for watching.